In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook account on iPhone. It's going to be a full guide video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is really for educational purposes only. So at first, you need to get the Facebook application. So you need to get it on your iPhone. So I just installed it from my Apple Store. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the Facebook. I'm going to click on create new account. So this still applies if you want to be able to learn how to create a Facebook account. This still works out well. So click on the create a new account. Just come on, I'm going to enter, let me say, okay, this for tutorial, let me say, tutorial Frank, let me say, okay, tutorial John. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to just enter any of this. I'm going to just enter any of this. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on next. So this is the final step. So I'm going to be using the address, right? Because this works out well enough. So I'm going to just click on the address. I'm going to enter the address now I'll be using for this. Okay, so I think this another step, right? So I'm going to just enter this as well. So do it from your end as well. So once you have done everything I just followed up, this is what's going to come out. So once you click on the continue, you're going to be able to get access to your account you just created newly here on Facebook on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please let me know below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next video.